Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh, and I'm going to be completely honest with you right now. I have a little obsession with credit cards. I do a lot of research in my free time, and to be completely honest, it's probably a little unhealthy with how much I like to, look up the newest deals, the new sign-up bonuses, the how to maximize my rewards. But I'm going to take all that information that I've learned, and I'm going to really distill it down into this video for you guys, so that way you can go out, know more about credit cards. Maybe you want to add some more to your wallet so you can get more, perks from them. So stay tuned for this video because that's exactly what I'm going to be going over. Now, I do realize this might be a little obsessive to most of you, but for the few of you that do this in your free time, thanks for tuning in and fueling your obsession. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over the 5 best credit cards that you need in 2021. A lot of these cards I've done a ton of research on, and I actually have most of these cards. So stay tuned. I'm going to be going over what I like, what I recommend, and I'm going to be going over all the sign-up bonuses you'll get if you sign up for these credit cards right now. As this video is being recorded, I'm going to be going over all the benefits you're going to get, the rewards categories, and specifically how you can benefit from having these credit cards in your wallet today. Also, keep in mind that this is going to be a list of all personal credit cards. So I'm going to be doing a separate one on business credit cards for business owners, and even if you run a side hustle or sell something on eBay, you can qualify for a business credit card. I will be doing an entire video separately for those credit cards, so stay tuned for that one in the future. And don't worry, all this research that I've done, the endless hours of research, I'm going to be giving it all to you right here for free. I don't ask any monetary value from you. All I do is please ask you to hit the like button if you get any value from this video. It's that easy. It's something that you can do for completely free. Turn that like button blue. Oh, and really quick before we jump into it, I do want to emphasize, do not get yourself into credit card debt using these cards. Pay your credit card balances every single month. That is something that I stress to everybody. Do not go into credit card debt because the fees on credit card debt are astronomical. With that, I do want to jump into the first credit card. All right, so first let's talk about a credit card that's going to get you some sweet, sweet cashback credit card bonuses. So that's going to be the Discover It cashback card. This is a card that I've actually had in my wallet for upwards of 8 years now since I was in college. So it's a credit card that I always have on rotation and for good reasons. I'm going to hop into those right now. Right now, Discover It cashback is actually running a really nice deal for new card members. It's going to be 0% interest for the first 14 months, in addition to their awesome dollar for dollar cashback match. What this means is for every dollar that you earn in cash back at the end of the first year, they're gonna match it completely. This is a great deal because it has no limits. Discover also has a revolving quarterly bonus up to 5% cash back in these categories. So the one thing that Discover does really well is make these categories that people are spending a lot of money in. Discover does a really good job of spacing it out among categories that are very, very popular among the average consumer. This is something like groceries, PayPal, Amazon, a lot of these big brands that you typically do a lot of spend in. You're going to get 5% cash back on up to $1,500 of your spend in those quarters. This is a really cool deal. This is why I always keep the Discover It cashback in my wallet. Now, the Discover It card actually has a lot of other benefits other than the rewards. It's actually voted the #1 trusted credit card according to Investors Business Daily. And it's also one of the most widely accepted credit cards across the US. So what this means is if you go into any establishment that actually accepts credit cards, 99% of them are going to actually take Discover, and this is unique. Now, you're going to get all of these benefits at the current low price of $0. Yes, that is correct. This card and all those benefits and all that cash back, you're going to get at a low annual fee of $0. This is what makes this card so beneficial to have in your wallet. There's no reason not to have it in your wallet. What I do recommend is you have a credit score of over 680 in order to boost your chances of getting approved for this credit card. There's a lot of other factors that may go into the decision, but really set yourself up for success by having a credit score of 680 before applying for this credit card. Now, with all of that, I'm going to move into the second credit card on this list. Now, this next credit card is one of the best cashback credit cards on the market. It's another cashback credit card that I'm offering you on this list, and it's also going to come at 0 annual fee, and that is the Citi Double Cashback Credit Card. Now, why is it called the Double Cashback Credit Card? That's because it's going to give you 2% back on every single purchase. No caps, no limitations, 2%. That simple. Keep it in your wallet for that reason alone. Now, the one thing that's different from the Discover It cashback credit card is that there are no categories. Like I said, this is 2% unlimited across any spend that you do. So the way this 2% works is you're going to actually get 1% when you make the purchase, and you're going to get another percent when you pay off the credit card balance. So this actually encourages you to pay your balances in full at the end of every month to get that 1% cash back. Now, the one thing that I did come across while skimming their website is actually that in order to qualify and redeem your cash back to get it back as a statement credit, you're going to have to accumulate up to $25. If you do $1,250 in purchases and you pay them down, that's the $25 right there. So it's one of those really good cashback bonus cards. I would highly recommend you having this in your wallet. Now, I do recommend having a credit score of 690 to apply for the Citi Double Cashback credit card. Like a lot of credit cards in this category, the standard is around 680 to 700. So having that 690 would benefit you if you're applying for this credit card. Now, this next credit card is a credit card that you've probably seen before, and it's going to be one that's great for foodies or anybody who wants a great credit card with great rewards, worldwide dining and grocery stores in the US. So the card I'm talking about is actually the American Express Gold Card. This card is amazing when it comes to getting rewards points for your dining anywhere in the world. Now, this card does come with an annual fee of $250, but that can be offset by a lot of the perks and benefits that come with this card every single year, not to mention the awesome sign-up bonus, which I'll be talking about right now. So American Express is actually running an awesome sign-up bonus of 60,000 American Express rewards points when you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months of opening the account. Now, American Express rewards points are actually really highly valued, especially if you're using them and maximizing them to the best of their benefit. So these are actually valued at upwards of 2 cents per point. So you can get a lot of value. So 60,000 points in the sign-up bonus can be valued at around $1,200, which pays for the credit card many times over and the annual fee. You honestly could get an even higher value out of these if you're maximizing how you're using the points. So keep that in mind. There's a lot of value in traveling with American Express rewards cards, and there's a lot of travel benefits associated with this credit card as well. Honestly, the only other points that might be more valuable are Chase Ultimate Rewards, which are also very valuable, and I'll be touching on those a little later in this video, so stay tuned for that. So the American Express Gold Card also allows you to earn 4 points for every single dollar that you spend on dining in the whole world. You're also allowed to earn 4 points for every dollar on United States grocery stores, which, let me tell you, has come in for a lot of handy use during this past year. So these categories, you're allowed to spend up to $25,000 annually, which, to be honest, is quite a lot of food. And I don't know that many people are spending $25,000 on food. If you are, definitely get this card. But definitely take advantage of this because you're going to be earning 4 points for every dollar. And like I said, those points can be very valuable if used correctly. You can also earn 3 points for every dollar that you spend on flights booked either directly through the airline or through AmexTravel.com. Now, I know not many people are flying these days, but this can be a really good benefit when the world is back to normal and we are flying again. So the Gold Card actually comes with some additional perks that help offset that $250 annual fee. These perks such as $120 in Uber credits, which can be spent on rides or even their Uber Eats, so you can get food through that as well. You also get $120 in dining credits, which you can be used on Grubhub, Seamless, Box.com, so there's a lot of different ways that you can really offset that $250 annual fee. If these credits are used annually, that basically brings down the cost of the card to pretty much $10 per year, which is really awesome considering the sign-up bonus that you're getting, the rewards points that you're going to be earning when you spend money on this card. So just keep that in mind when you're considering how this annual fee fits into your budget. The Gold Card comes with a whole host of other benefits that are especially useful when traveling. There's going to be travel insurance, and it's going to make the card really beneficial when you are traveling abroad. Also, they announced recently that they're bringing back the Rose Gold American Express credit card, which is pretty sweet when you see it. I'm going to throw that up right here. It's actually really cool. This credit card is also made of metal, so that just adds to the whole appeal of having the gold credit card. Now, the credit score you're going to want to have when you're signing up for the American Express Gold Card is going to be on the higher range, somewhere around 700 or more. This is because it's a luxury card. It's in the higher end, so definitely geared towards the more high-end clients. This doesn't mean that you should be turned off by the American Express Gold Card because of all the benefits that I talked about, the rewards that you're going to be earning, and the annual fee being pretty much offset by the credits that they give you. This is a great card to have in your wallet for the everyday average consumer. Now, the fourth credit card in this lineup is actually a credit card that I think that everybody should have in their wallet. It's a no annual fee credit card, and it's one of Chase's new additions. This credit card is the Chase Freedom Flex. Yes, there are a ton of benefits that come with this newly revamped version of the Chase Freedom card. They discontinued the Chase Freedom, and they came out with the Freedom Flex, which in my honest opinion is awesome. It's going to be a lot better than the old Freedom. It has a lot better categories, and it has more categories and more earning potential for your rewards. Oh, and just to mention, this card becomes even more valuable when you pair it with a credit card in Chase's lineup that offers ultimate rewards points, which I will be touching on later on in this video, as I mentioned. With this new card, you can take advantage of their new card member sign-up bonus, which, to be honest, right now is really awesome. It's $200 back when you spend $500 within the first 3 months of account opening. Now, this is really easy to attain. I pretty much spend $500 in a couple of weeks on groceries and food alone, so this is something that you can really easily attain. And just putting your normal day-to-day spending on this, you can get that $200 back easily. So similar to the Discover It cashback credit card, which I talked about earlier in this video, this is another category spending credit card. You can earn up to 5% cash back in certain categories. These categories rotate quarterly, and you can earn up to 5% cash back on up to $1,500 spent in that quarter. But wait, there's more. You can actually also earn 5% cash back on all travel booked through Chase. And you can get 3% cash back on dining, including takeout and drugstores. All other purchases, you can earn 1% cash back. So it's a really good cashback card. From those rewards alone, you can see the value that this credit card adds as a no annual fee credit card. But there are some other benefits that come with this card that make it an even better value, and a reason why everybody should have this in their wallet right now. These other benefits include cell phone protection, because Chase's new Freedom Flex is actually a MasterCard, so you get to take advantage of that MasterCard bonus of cell phone protection. Number 2, you get food delivery perks such as a complimentary first 3 months of Dash Pass, which really pays for itself after a few deliveries if you use Dash. The third benefit that I really like is actually the trip interruption and cancellation insurance. This is something that we've all probably come to realize over the past year. Trips and plans change, so having this insurance is actually really beneficial if you use your card to book travel. Another really cool sign-up bonus with this card is you get 0% APR for the first 15 months. This is really big, especially if you're planning a big purchase coming up soon and you kind of want to pay it off over the next couple of months. You won't have to pay that interest on that large purchase. So keep that in mind when you're signing up for this card as well. Now, I would recommend having a credit score of around 680 or higher to apply for this credit card. Chase also has their 5 and 24 rule, which means you won't be approved if you've opened up 5 or more personal credit cards within the last 24 months. If you've kept the amount of credit cards that you've opened under the number 5 in the past 24 months, you will be golden and you have a more likelihood of getting approved. Let me just say that if you are above that 5 and 24, you're definitely going to get rejected for this credit card. As with any other Chase credit card, this is a rule specific to Chase, and this is something that they really don't budge on. So keep that in mind when you're applying for this card. Keep this in mind when you're also applying to any other Chase card. So if you are applying to any of these cards on this list, maybe apply to this one first, just to prevent that 5 and 24 from happening if you want to apply to the Discover It cashback, the Citi double cashback bonus, all of that. Just make sure that you apply to this card first, just to prevent you from crossing over that 5 and 24 threshold if you haven't already. Now, as I mentioned, this card is great when paired with a Chase Ultimate Rewards credit card, and that is because you get Chase Ultimate Rewards points, which, like American Express rewards points, are very highly valued, especially when you redeem them for certain things like travel. That brings me to the 5th credit card on this list, and one of my favorites, one that I've had for a very long time, and one that I am very happy with paying the $95 annual fee, and that is the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card. Now, this is a great credit card for travel, and I will be going over all the benefits that I've gotten through travel with this credit card. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is going to be giving you those ultimate rewards points that I mentioned earlier. These points are valued at around 2 cents when you use them for travel and you're maximizing the benefit that you're getting from them. I love these points for travel and booking my flights, booking my accommodations, and even some really, really awesome hotel stays. Which I will be going over in future videos on how you can maximize your ultimate rewards points. So keep that in mind. Right now, new card members are going to be getting 60,000 points when they spend $4,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. That is worth $1,200. That is a lot of cash back for a sign-up bonus, and probably one of the best sign-up bonuses on the market today right now. So if you haven't gotten this card yet, take advantage of this. I'm going to be going over other ways you can earn right now. Oh, and the welcome offer also includes a $50 statement credit on groceries within the first year of opening this credit card, which helps offset that first $95 annual fee. This sign-up bonus is one of the most impressive sign-up bonuses on the market right now and helps pay for that annual fee 10 times over. And if you are a traveler and you like traveling, even if you're just a casual traveler or you travel a lot, this card needs to be in your wallet. And that is for the main reason that you earn 2 points for every dollar spent on travel. This is going to be hotels, flights, any kind of metro travel such as buses, trains, any Uber, taxis. All of this count towards travel and makes this card really good while you're traveling. Oh, and I got this card because it had no foreign transaction fees. And right now they have a promotion going on where you can earn up to 5 points per dollar spent on Lyft. You also get 2 points for every dollar that you spend on dining, which really makes this card awesome as well. Oh, and like the American Express Gold Card, this card is metal, which is a pretty nice luxury when you pull it out at a grocery store or at a restaurant and you have that nice, crisp, heavy metal card. Other benefits that are offered by the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card, which put this card above and into the next level, are going to be complimentary Dash Pass for up to a year after account opening. Travel protections, which really give you peace of mind when you're traveling. They really did for me. Insurances such as, rental car insurances, which is really unique the way that they give this, and up to $10,000 in trip cancellation. So keep that in mind when you're getting this credit card. Number 3 is actually shopping purchase protection. So you can actually add this to a cool benefit that they added on. They also recently added on a new Peloton $60 credit on memberships for Peloton. So if you're a Peloton user, there you go. Now, as I mentioned, if you have this card in your wallet and you add the Chase Freedom Flex, all of the cash back that you will be getting from the Freedom Flex will be given in Ultimate Rewards points, which, as I mentioned, increase the value of the cash back that you're getting from those cards as well. So keep that in mind. And the travel benefits using those points is innumerable. Now, Chase does recommend having a credit score of over 690 when applying for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Also, you want to make sure that you have not violated the 5x24 rule. That is going to get you if you try to apply for this card as well as any other Chase card in their lineup. So there we go. Those are the top 5 credit cards of 2021. So far in the year, it is March. So keep that in mind. These will probably change. I'm going to be doing a lot of research like I always do. And sign-up bonuses change, rewards change. Some of these credit card companies actually revamped the entire card. As I mentioned, Chase has come out with a brand new card. So these probably will change in the future. And that's why I will be coming out with future videos just like this to keep everyone here up to date. So if you want to stay up to date, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Like I mentioned, it's free, and keep an eye out for future videos. If you are a business owner and you want to take advantage of some business credit cards, I will be coming out with a future video just like this on the top 5 business credit cards that you should get in 2021. There are a plethora of credit cards out there for business owners that you can really benefit from. So keep that in mind going forward as well. So with all that being said, if you've watched this far, I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to get more content just like this. I'm going to be releasing videos on future credit card updates, bank accounts that are really good in 2021, investing information. I do a ton of research around investments, stock, dividends. I have a dividend portfolio. I do a bunch of investment app reviews, and I will be coming out with future videos pertaining to that. So keep that in mind. And I just ran a successful $100 giveaway for reaching 100 subscribers. Now making this video, I'm at 1,200 subscribers, so this channel is taking off, and I really appreciate everybody who is subscribed. Thank you for returning. If you have not, please subscribe. I will be doing future giveaways when I hit certain milestones. The next milestone I am shooting for with this channel is 5,000 subscribers. I will be doing a live stream Q&A where I will be answering any questions that anybody has, and I will be going over a bunch of different stuff. So just keep that in mind, and I appreciate it if you do subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day, stay safe, and keep building your wealth. I appreciate everybody. Thank you. Bye.